So in Adobe Lightroom Classic, what you can also do is you can go ahead and sync out your edits across multiple images. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and expand the basics right here, and let me just do a basic edit. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and then change around the temperature of this particular photo right here, and let me just go ahead and decrease out the highlight right here just like this, and increase out the vibrance right here just like this, and then this is the result that you have. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy out this effect right here that I did. So now in order to do that, if I were to go around onto another image right here, let's say for example I'm going to go around over here onto this image. So let's just go around onto this image right here. If I were to click on previous now, then you can see that the same effect simply gets applied right here. Then I can go to this image and click on previous, and same effect will be applied right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and let's say for example select out I'm just going to expand this and select out multiple images right here. And once I select multiple images, you can see that sync appears right here. So if I were to click on sync, then you can see that this is what you have. So now I can go ahead and sync out different elements right here, just like this, like even transform and masking. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on synchronize right here. And then what happens is that the same effect will be synchronized across the images. So now this is what you have. So I'm taking this as the example right here, but let me just go around onto this particular image and change around the temperature. Let's say for example, and I'm just going to go around and hold and select this particular image right here. So let's just go ahead and then onto this particular image right here, let's just go ahead and then expand this out as well. So let's say I want this particular image right here and I want to sync it out. So I'm selecting everything, and as this image I'm going to go to sync, and I'm going to click on synchronize right here just like this. And once that is done, you can see that the source image right here effect is copied out, and all of the other images now have this bluish tone right here according to the original image. And that is how you can go ahead and sync out edits to multiple images inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.